What's up, guys? This is Pastor Canayo again. So it's about 1:50 a.m. um in the morning. Man, it's pretty early already. So right now I will be working in my second project, which is miles per gallon. Just this one right here. In the first project I worked only on this, but I didn't use the number, the $95. So I only need to change the $95 and then the rest is the same. It should just give me a different price. But anyway, I forgot that. But so my second project right here, we're going to be working with miles per gallon. It says a car holds 16 gallons of gas and it can travel 312 miles before refueling. Write the program that calculates the number of miles per gallon that this car gets. Display a header, the miles traveled, the gallon used, and result, which will have decimal places. Take a screenshot of the code and order of the running program displaying the results. So basically, I should do that if I submit it. But yeah, I just want to do it. I'll do that. I will just record the whole process. But anyway, this is just kind of simple. So what we have to do is just divide. How do we do this? So a car holds 16 gallons of gas, right? And you can travel 312 miles. So how do you do the calculation? So you have to divide 312 divided by 16 gallons, which will give you um, how many miles per. This is the number of gallon or miles per gallon that this car gets. Yeah. So for example, right here they're giving us an example. So you will do over here in the calculator. So if you do, this is an example they gave us. Miles. A car goes 51 miles. Yeah, it holds 7 gallons. So if you divide 51 by, if you do 51 by 7, it should give you 7.28571. You know, basically about 7 gallons or something like that. Yeah. So let's do the program and see if we can. First, we're going to work in this example and see if we can match that. Oh man, why do I always open that? Okay, so over here I already have everything open. So let's see it. So I already got all my header file. I got my function, main function. I got everything ready. So we are going to be using what type of data type? Let's see. According to the example, it still give us decimal, so we're going to use double. Okay. See double. So we got miles, gallons, and mpg. Okay. Gallons. So let's work with the example first. So what is the example? It gave us 51 miles. 51 miles. Sorry. It doesn't matter at the end. We can just do that. But let's do miles. 51 miles. And then we have gallons, which is 7. Right? and then the calculation is going to be MPG, which is going to be dividing the 51 divided by 7, right? So, and we do a cout, and we write down miles, so which is going to be miles, right? Miles, let's do that. So we got miles right here. So you can LCL. So this is going to be for gallons. Man, what's wrong with me? Okay. It's going to be gallons. So this is going to be MPG, which is going to be the calculation. Let's copy this. Let's paste it. And this should give us the results that we need. Okay, let's see. This is the example. It should give us the same example, the same results as the example. Let's see. It gave us 51.7. It didn't do the calculation. Let's see. 51. Oh, what did I say? 51. That's why. This should be, what do I do numbers? Miles divided by gallons. See, there's a difference between when you just write down the numbers and the variable names. So it's better to work that way. So basically, this is what we got. It's supposed to be in one line right here. So these are like a 2 and 2. Maybe we just need one line. One escape sequence. Is that what? Hold on, I think I messed up. Let's see. Yeah, maybe. Let's see. So actually this needs one more. And that should be equal. Should be in the same line, same order. Cool. Nice. So that's as it shows in the example right here. gallons mpg 28.5. Okay, now if I want to use the values that they gave me, so the value is 32 miles, 312 miles and 16 gallons. Let's see. So let's change the values. Just going to be 312, 16 gallons. And there is a why you use numbers. I mean names instead of numbers, because you can just change when you declare it. Over here you can just change any numbers, but then over here when you calculate, it's a lot easier just to use the names, the variable names instead of the values. Yeah, so it should be good. That way, it wouldn't be any confusion. $19.5. 312 miles before refueling. Write the program that calculates the number of miles per gallon that this car gets. This car gets 19.5 miles per gallon. So if we use the calculator, 312 divided by 16, it should just give you the same amount, 19.5. Yeah, we got it. We got it. Cool. Nice. Thank you very much for checking the video. So hopefully you enjoy the video. Hopefully it can help you a little bit, but it's actually just helping me to do my homework, work in my projects. Anyway, thank you.